Hi everyone, today it's time to start the Let's Shop for the fun Foodie Box Challenge collaboration, so stick around and play with me. Welcome back to my channel, Solo Mom Budget. I'm Sonia, a teacher and a single mom of two on a mission to make the most of our family budget while still enjoying life. And what helps me keep budgeting and saving fun are beautiful challenges like this box challenge collaboration, which is hosted by Tammy at Aussie Bee Budgets, Vicky at The Bubbly Stuffer, Amanda at Mom Wife Budget Life, Becca at Becca Budget 777, and Vicky at Pink Plum Budgeting. Now, before I say anything else, thank you guys so much for creating this and for letting me be part of it. I think it looks amazing. Like, look at all these colors here. But before I go ahead, let me also mention all the other collaborators that are part of this. Now, I thought for today it would be fun to lay it all out like this so you can see everybody's name and everybody's recipe for the food challenge. So let me go through them one by one. So I already mentioned the hosts here, the first 5 recipes up here. And then we also have Vicky at Pink Plum Budgeting, Brittany, she's one of the hosts, of course. So Brittany at Budgeting with a Ginger, Vicky at Vicky Plans Budgets, Sophie at Sophie Budgets AU, Pansy at Pansy Budgets, Denise at Loving Life at 60ish, Mary at Hands of Provision, Michal at North Country Cash Queen, Michelle at The Budgeting TA, Jody Lee at Blissful Budgeting, Ann at Craft and Budgets with Ann, Beth at Cat Lady Budgets, LJ at LJ's Butterflies LLC, MK at Mama's Budget and More, Hannah at Self-Written Budgets, Natalie at Net Budgets, myself, Katie at Claudie's Creations, and Kendra at Budget with Kendra. Now, in case you're not subscribed to one of these, please go ahead and do that. Show some support, show some love. That would be lovely. Now, what we have here, how do we play this? So we have I think it was now 23 names that I read. So we have 23 different recipes, and we have, I think, 6 ingredients per recipe. And here it tells you what each ingredient is worth. Then we have our cards here that are going to tell you what to save. And then this is not all. Then we have some extra savings with these catch-alls here. So these are made by Mom Wife Budget Life. So we have What's Cooking, save $1 per equipment. Now I will do this with 50 cents per equipment because otherwise I feel like it would be too much for me. Same with the coupon collecting. Each coupon is worth $1. And then we also have a roll of dice to see what food stand you will go to. Right, so that's our extra savings or extra games. And then we have more. So this one is made by Vicky at Pink Plum Budgeting, this or that. So we have some more ingredients here. I'm going to make these, again, 50 cents a piece. And then we have by Tammy at Aussie Bee Budgets, we have Roll and Save Desserts. And then we also have these cupcake savings, which I'm also going to do 50 cents a piece. And I believe that is everything. Also, now that I see it, hold on. It does come with like a little instruction on how to play. So I hope I understood it correctly. I'm not going to make a mistake. But anyways, then there is 2 dashboards here, the bank one and the completed challenges one. I thought it was easier to put them in here rather than into the binder, since there's like the binder is going to be really full once I put everything inside already. So yeah, I think that's it. And basically, I believe we can go ahead and get started. So I'm not going to shuffle these again because I did shuffle them and they fell out of my hands and were all over the floor. So it took me a while to put them together again. So I'm not going to shuffle them again. They're shuffled. Search and save. So let me put this on the side. Limes. Let's see. Where can we find? Oh, I already saw them. I didn't think I would see them so quickly. Here they are, limes. Now this one circle means that limes are only included in this one ingredient recipe. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this away, and I'm going to take the $4 for the lines. And how do I want to do this? I didn't think of it. I'm gonna, can I do it like this? I'm gonna put it like underneath for now so I can see all the ingredients, right? Otherwise I won't be able to find them. Then we have Nutella. There it is. Yay, this is going well. I didn't think I would find the items so quickly. $5 for Nutella. My goodness. You guys, I have 30 euros here. Let's see. This might be over pretty quickly. 2, 3, 4, 5. By the way, for the ones who don't know me, obviously I don't have dollars here because I'm actually located in Vienna, Austria, and I play with euros. And yeah, there are no €1 bills actually, so I play with prop money because it's just easier for me. Right, then Nutella just one time, so let me put it away. Then we have pita bread. Let me see. Help me. Can you see pita bread somewhere? I'm just thinking if this takes too long, I'm just gonna have to fast forward afterwards when I edit this. Pita bread. I cannot see pita bread. There it is. Okay. Now this took a while. My goodness, $5 more. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me put this away and put this underneath. Oops. Okay. I hope you can see this properly. I hope you're not overwhelmed with all the colors or that it's too close, but I cannot zoom out anymore because let me tell you, when I first started this and I was buying equipment, I didn't dare buy a tripod because I didn't trust my kids, you know, or I don't trust my kids enough to have one here next to the desk. So I bought one of these that you stick to your desk. So yeah, I cannot zoom out, but I hope you can see everything fine. Okay, now we have one cross off one ingredient on one recipe card for free. Yay! Now that's good for once. Let's see. I'm just thinking if I want to do like a low amount or a high amount. Let's do like a middle. Let me do $3 on the red dressing here. Okay, moving on. Sprinkles. Sprinkles. Is this like a dessert? There it is. Ice cream sundae sprinkles for $3. Let me put this away. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then the next one is cilantro. Oh, cilantro. Okay, I'm glad that for most of them, I find them very quickly right now. Or I'm finding them. Sometimes I feel like I can't speak. So $3 for cilantro here. So this one already, we scratched 2 ingredients off. For this one, this or that, that's the extra games. Hold on, let me find them or find it. Here it is, this or that. So I said I'm gonna make 50 cents per item, so I'm gonna cross out 2 and put €1 into this one. Now I'm just gonna put these on the side. I'm not probably, like I said, not gonna play like this next time, but I thought it would be nice to see everybody's recipes, like I said. So, search and save marshmallows. Jumbo marshmallows, is that the same as normal ones? Or do we have normal ones somewhere? Let me see. Either I don't see normal marshmallows or this is it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead, even if I make a mistake, so in case they're like jumbo marshmallows, then I'll do the normal ones. But I just cannot find it right now. So let me go ahead and do these jumbo marshmallows. And Oh, there should be like 3 of them. So yeah, we have 3 circles here. So that means 3 recipes have this ingredient, and I can't see it even on one except for this one. Okay, let's just do that. So $2 for this one. Oh, this one has 2 crossed off as well. Okay, now this one I'm gonna put back in here. And then we have, oh, under budgeted and spent too much. Save $3 into your catch-all. Now I guess I can choose which catch-all I want to play. Let me think. I'll do this one. Let's roll and see where we land. Now I did come prepared for this one because I don't have a 3-sided die, so I have a 6-sided die. So 1, 2, 3, we're going to count normally, and then it's going to be 4, 5, and 6 in case it lands on one of those. But no, 2, perfect. So $3. Let me cross that out, and then we'll do 1, 2, and $3, and we don't have much left. Okay, let me put this here to the side as well. And then here it is. Let's see. The next one is zucchini. Okay, zucchini I found quickly. So $1 for the zucchini. Did I do 1? Yes. Okay, sometimes they stick together. So I'm gonna put this one away. Oops. Coconut. Where is the coconut? I haven't looked at these recipes like in detail before I started playing, so I don't know. Oh, here it is, coconut. Okay, $3 for this one. Let's put that away and get $3. Oh, yay! And it worked out perfectly with the money. I actually haven't thought about what I'm gonna do in case, I get like $5 and I only have 3 left, but it worked out perfectly great. Oh, okay, perfect. I'm happy about this. So now let me just see which recipes got some money. So let's do it like this. Okay, let me put the cards away. We don't need the cards anymore. So we have ice cream sundae from Budget with Kendra. Got $3. Then we have Mom's Pasta from Self-Written Budget, got $1 today. We have Pico de Gallo by Pansy Budgets. I hope I said that right. That got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 today. Is that right? Yes. Wow. Okay. And then here we have a s'mores dessert from Loving Life at 60-ish. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. And then we have, oh no, did I? What was the ranch dressing was the one I was allowed to cross out for free. Oh my goodness, I thought I made a mistake. Okay, thank God I remember that. Okay, and then we have here pita bread. Pita bread, I should have put the card underneath this so that I know that that's what I'm gonna do next time. Okay, and so we have, where was I? Pita bread, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for this lamb souvlaki from Vicky Plans Budgets. And then we have marshmallow salad by Aussie Bee Budgets. It got $3. That's right. And that is it for the recipes here. And then, like I said, here we have $3 in the catch-alls in one of them. And then we have $1 here and this little this or that game or challenge. Okay, great. That was fun. Yay. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, for playing with me. By the way, I'm going to put this into my binder off camera because it's just going to take too long. So like I said, I don't think I'm going to do it this way, but it was fun to do it this way actually. But I'm going to put it into my binder, yeah, off camera because it's just going to take a while. I hope to see you here tomorrow when I play my tiny Tuesday 100 envelope challenge. Yeah, and I wish you a great day. And if not tomorrow, I hope to see you soon. So, bye.